Amazon. You can probably get it from a smoke shop too. This one keeps going out.
If you're inviting us, we just want our, emotional support. She just makes me think of what it would be like if I had that kind of
obscene family wealth, globe-trotting career,
perfect teeth, $500 a week private trainer. That's not super bad, but yeah, all that stuff. Grant charges $750.
Boo, I'm what?
Weird, but you're here.
Ow.
Catch up after I catch up with you. I will not move from this.
I'll say what I don't say I want it for long.
They keep going out.